Hello everyone. Welcome to AMC Technology webinar on SAP Cloud for Customer and Twilio Flex Integration. My name is Vamshi. I'm a solution engineer at AMC Technology. I've been working with AMC for the last 5 years and have worked on various implementations on discovery of a right solution to customer and helping our customers have a seamless solution. Uh, And that's a quick overview about me. And from here, thank you again. So in today's webinar, I would like to go over AMC technology. We would like to, and we are excited to talk about our DaVinci cloud solution and a quick talk on SAP Cloud for Customer, Twilio Flex platform. And we would like to demonstrate our solution of SAP Cloud for Contact Canvas, integrating with Twilio Flex using our DaVinci cloud solution. And we also will have some time for question and answers in the end. But in the meantime, if you have any questions or if something pops up, please feel free to use the chat and we would take up the questions at the last. Saying so, let me go into AMC technology and why you have to look at AMC technology. AMC technology has been founded by Anthony Uliano in 1995. Our CTO by our CTO Anthony Uliano. I'm sorry for that. And we are based out of Richmond, Virginia. Uh, AMC Technology, way back in 1995, was the first company, and I'm proud to say that we first wrote the SAP interaction code and coexisted with SAP to provide a contact center CTI integration experience to agents. And way back from 1995, we have been working on various platforms of SAP, like SAP ECC or SAP CRM, and as of today, SAP Cloud for Customer. And we continue to keep our focus to provide solutions to our customers to enable their integration into CTI and provide a better experience to their agents as well as customers. Um, and the other key thing that we have is all of our solutions, be it SAP CRM or SAP Cloud for Customer that I'm going to demonstrate today, are certified solutions by SAP. SAP AMC not only has the product, we have the right teams that can help you with both in providing the right guidance on how to get or how to implement a right solution that enables and increases your customer satisfaction and gives or provides an agent experience to a single pane agent experience to your agents or end users. We have in-house development team that takes care of all our customer requirements and continue to develop the product to keep in par with the industry standards. Uh, we call ourselves industry leaders in this space because of our long-lasting experience, and the solutions and the platforms that we provide are not nowhere in par with any of our competitors. We have wide variety range of CRMs and CTIs that we can support as of today. Saying that, it's not only our long-lasting experience or existence, we also offer wide variety of uh, solutions in the space. Like today, as I've mentioned, we want to introduce our CRM integration through using our cloud platform DaVinci, which has pre-built apps for our customers that they can utilize to communicate between their CRMs and CTIs or between the using our channel apps. We have, as I've mentioned, we have uh, implementation and development services that are provided by AMC. Uh, we also are offering with this cloud platform, we are also taking a step ahead to provide and give confidence to our customers to be with them to in their migration plans to cloud or migration path for if they're planning to move from any of the on-prem CRM or CTI. And our DaVinci solution can enable integration between your on-prem solution and the cloud offering or the cloud solution that you are looking at. With all these features and products, we also believe that providing service to our customers is equally important to maintain a seamless and a fruitful solution. So we also offer managed services. The AMC managed services offering ensures that, or we ensure that you have a trusted contact center and CRM, and you always have experts available to help you as you need to solve your issues or day-to-day maintenance related issues. And it's a great wide variety of offering, which includes a state-of-art solution, in-house and mature development services. We have, and we are in line with the industry of moving from on-prem to cloud, so we can support our customers on both the spaces. And last but not least, the services that we provide to our customers to maintain a seamless and a robust system addressing their day-to-day concerns. I think that's very exciting and interesting. So saying that, we not only stand for what we have done, what we have been developing, but we also are understanding our customer pain points, and we are trying to address them as we progress day in, day out. That's what we all strive for, to provide a robust solution to our customer so that they can in return have a better customer satisfaction and a good agent experience. Uh, when I say agent experience by the way the agents can control all the applications and tools from one single user experience or single view. Uh, so we have continued to work on customer satisfaction or providing robust solutions, but as it progress, we have started looking at the future, and here you can see we are trying to solve customer issues as our customer concerns. I won't say them as issues here, where we are trying with our DaVinci solution. We are addressing aging infrastructure related issues where customers don't have to have any on-prem solution or a server to maintain AMC application, and our application solves integration of multiple homegrown tools or tools that agent has to switch between to address a customer question can all be integrated into a single UI frame to enable a single pane user experience. And like I mentioned, all of us are working towards customer satisfaction on this, and with the agent getting that single pane user experience and a view of customer, as well as the data that they have to review to talk to, that provides an agent a good experience. Um, this definitely helps in agent attrition because they're happy with the system. They don't have to look at multiple tools to answer one question. So they have all the information ready, and they are sticking to their core responsibility of answering the customer questions and making sure that the customer is happy there. Uh, we are providing the best CX information, providing information to the agent as soon as the agent makes our contact gives customer a better experience. Um, so in general, we have continued to address our customer concerns, and we with this new DaVinci platform, we have addressed way more, and we are going ahead with the other solutions. So now we'll take a step into way how we are trying to address these questions and how we are trying to solve the customer pain points and helping them to provide a better agent experience and customer satisfaction. As we all know, the core objective and the solution that we are trying to work at is enabling two platforms, be it CRM and the CTI. And we want to, these two systems in silos are very powerful. The CTA has the channel integration, and the CRM has a lot of information related to the customer. And the pain point that we are addressing, and you'll be learning from us today, is how we are trying to address this integration and bring the channels and the CRM platform into one single pane user experience, and which definitely helps you and your business to provide your better customer satisfaction. Um, like we all know, it is important to serve customers in the way they want. Customers can reach us in any channel. It can be voice, it can be email, it can be SMS, it can be chat. And what we are striving today is to bring all those channels into a single pane user experience on your CRM and provide your agent with the information that is required for them to address and solve the customer concerns here. So being that it can be either of like we can integrate CRM with CTI or CTI with CRM. In our core business, we are looking at the option of integrating today with integrating the CTI Twilio Flex into CRM. Saying that, I would like to move into our product, DaVinci. DaVinci is the AMC Contact Canvas or AMC Contact Cloud Contact solution. It's a platform that can bring all the solutions together or solution together and provide an embedded agent experience. We support different channels like Twilio Flex or Amazon Connect, and we also support on-prem solutions in the space. Like we can integrate with your CTI on-prem solutions like CTI Avaya, Cisco, or Aspect, and not only that, we also have channel apps that integrate with any of majority of the leading CRMs industry, uh, be it Salesforce, SAP, MSCRM, Dynamics, and we have ServiceNow and Zendesk. DaVinci in general it comes with pre-built app solutions that can enable your communication between the two platforms, and it is a single channel or single platform, omni-channel, and it gives a user experience for different user experience, providing omni-channel experience. Not only that, the open framework of Contact Canvas suite allows you to push or publish your own apps and extend functionality to other homegrown products across your business units. That definitely is a great feature, where if you have a solution that has been in your contact center or in your business, and you would like to provide that data to your business, this is a very great framework or solution that can be used to integrate with the solutions accordingly. Saying that, let me also quickly go over the DaVinci, what our solution offers, and also I would like to take a leverage to introduce you to our on-prem uh, Contact Picasso solution. As I've mentioned, DaVinci is our cloud contact center solution. It's totally cloud-based solution, and it's nearly instant deployment. Like you can deploy your solution in minutes, is what I look at it as. And with cloud, with cloud offering, we also made sure that we want to support or provide our services to wide variety range of customers. So in this cloud space, we are again enabling our solution to small medium business applications or customers, enterprise level, and the support for any size of contact center is in general what DaVinci can handle. And that is itself is a great platform. Uh, and As I've mentioned again, we have pre-built apps for various leading industry leading solution or industry leading CRMs and CTIs. These are few of them that we support as of today, like Twilio Flex, Nexmo, Amazon Connect, Ring Central, Skype for Business, and not to forget the premise Telephony Picasso, which I would be talking to in a minute. And we are also having apps of like supporting Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, SAP, ServiceNow, and Zendesk. And not to forget our open framework in this space, where if you have an option to, or if you have a solution that can support and integrate our framework, that you can write an app, and we have published APIs and use it to integrate to your agent experience. Here, I would also like to introduce and talk about our Picasso platform. In the starting of the webinar, I did mention in AMC offers, like we are enabling a migration path to our customers, meaning customers who are using totally on-prem solution as of today and are looking at moving to a cloud-based solution, but that's on a roadmap. They first want to move to CRM and they still would like to have on-prem CTI. We we wanted to address that pain point, and that's where we came up with our on-prem Picasso solution for our customers that would enable integration between the CRM and CTI. I believe you all are really excited so far to see how the solution is, and uh, I think it's definitely one of its kind offering. I've not seen any other solution so far that can support any of your CRM CTI, be it on-premise or cloud, and integrate various channels uh, and provide a single pane user experience to your agents. All right, let's do a little deep dive into our architecture here. I think this is some of the technical folks on the call might be interested to know how all this is coming into one place, and how all this works for you on a day-to-day. All right. So here is an architecture that you're looking at, our DaVinci Core platform, the cloud solution here. So DaVinci, we are enabling DaVinci, or DaVinci can be accessed through Creator Studio, where you will be able to, you will be able to install apps in your environment and enable the application to talk to the systems. If you see the architecture here, DaVinci is on the cloud platform, and DaVinci has multiple pre-built apps. Like in this space, you can see apps that are related to Twilio Flex, Nexmo, or business, Skype for Business. We have CRM apps, that is Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics, SAP C4C, Zendesk, or ServiceNow. Not again, I like to repeat this because I like the flexibility of this product, where if you have your apps, you can always, if you have a solution that is on-prem or cloud, but you would like to integrate into your you integrate into our toolbar to provide a better user experience, you can always build an app like this. We have published APIs for this, and all you have to do is build your app and use our DaVinci Creator Studio platform to enable channel integration for your agents. Um, Not only that, as I have mentioned, we also have considered or kept in mind our existing customers or customers who have long migration path. So we are still supporting, or we still have our applications that talk to your on-premise environment, on-premise CTI, to enable integration to your Avaya or Cisco aspect. Again, these are some of them, um, uh, key industry leaders, so I'm showing them here. But in general, the Picasso app can talk to your on-prem CTI, leveraging integrating between the CRM and CTI. Again, I would like to say that this is one of its kind of offering. I have not, or at least we have not known any other solution industry that can be in par with this architecture and provide a seamless and a robust solution to our customers or future customers here. Speaking about DaVinci, I think I've given you more a brief deep dive. But again, if you have any questions or anything, we are always here. And then in the end of the slide, I will share you more details how to contact us, and if you are interested to know more about the product. So we'll take a step ahead and quickly go over and show you how the SAP Cloud for Customer architecture looks like, and here how AMC has been playing a key role in enabling CTI integration to customers to provide a better customer experience and agent experience. As I've mentioned earlier, AMC was the first company way back in 1995 that wrote the first code for Interaction Center, enabling CTI integration into SAP, and we have maintained a strong and partnership with SAP all through the 23 or 24 years, and we are continuing to maintain that. We have provided integration. We have integration to SAP CRM. We have a certified solution for CRM that can talk to all of the CTIs again, as I've shown in my architecture. Not only that, we also have continued to provide our integration to the latest solutions of SAP and continue to maintain our life or our continue to go along with SAP as they make changes and progress. In this space, AMC again has provided SAP Cloud for Customer integration, where you can see SAP Marketing Cloud. We are supporting various modules of SAP C4HANA architecture in the SAP Fiori interface. We can support SAP Service Cloud or Sales Cloud or Commerce Cloud or Marketing Cloud. Be any of the module that you're using, AMC soft phone integration can enable the CTI integration for you or a channel integration for your users and provide them a better agent experience in broader view. And I think that's very interesting and exciting how we have been evolving as our partners evolve and continue to provide support to our customers on the back end. Saying that, I also want to quickly share a quick slide to show how AMC soft phone looks like in the SAP Fiori UI interface. You can see here it's a sample screenshot, and there's an AMC soft phone that is integrated into the SAP Fiori page. And what are the benefits of a contact center enabling here? Like we all I understand, like we can improve customer service by providing customer with agent with customer information and seamless agent experience. And not to forget our cloud and on-premise communication, where we can integrate your cloud channels and premise communication, premise voice channel or premise solution into one AMC soft phone and enable enable a better agent experience. We support across multiple browsers, and we keep it update every release of the browser. So you don't have to worry about which browser you have to use or which browser you cannot use using AMC solution. And we can customize agent experience both with single and multi-channel, and that's a very great feature if you have when you have more than one channel, and provide a better experience so that all the channels are in a single tool where the user has a better experience. So that's a quick overview of SAP Cloud for Customer. And as you all understand, today we are demonstrating, or we are also using Twilio Flex for our webinar today, and I want to talk quickly over Twilio Flex and provide you some insight on Twilio Flex. Twilio Flex is very interesting. I think Twilio Flex is a cloud communication or a cloud communication center application platform that lets you deploy your contact center in a very short amount of time, and enable you to integrate multiple channels like SMS, voice, web chat, and this can all can be deployed in very less time. Um, so again, Twilio Flex is giving an agent UI experience where agent can take or answer calls or channels and talk to customers through multiple channels using the Twilio Flex environment. Why it's an application platform? Again, Twilio in general is supporting, or Twilio platform supports multiple application, or it's supporting multiple application platforms. With that, they're also trying to give a better user experience, and better experience to user. And though it is deployed like SaaS, it can integrate like an on-premise solution, and it can support your integrate and talk to your on-prem platform solutions. And also it is so fast that it iterates in the web, and you cannot see the difference between on-prem and a cloud solution. So it's that quick and fast, and gives a better good UI experience to your users on the SAP, on the Twilio agent desktop view. As I've mentioned, Twilio again is very flexible. The Twilio platform in general can be customized to your business requirements, and that's the core motto around building the solution to your business requirement, and developing the solution so that you don't have to build your business around a solution that's available in the industry. If you're looking at this slide here, you can customize every layer of the Twilio Twilio platform. You can make changes to UI, you can customize it to your business requirement, you can customize routing, you can customize workflows, and also you can make changes to the channel as your business requires, and use it to better serve your customers and provide a good agent experience. That's a quick again overview of Twilio Flex that we are going to use in our demonstration today. With that, I also want to talk about today's agenda of showing or showcasing AMC solution of integrating the SAP Cloud for Customer and the Twilio Flex. Before that, I want to say I would like to quickly make sure we go over what we are going to do today in our demonstration. So for the demonstration, I would like to go over AMC Creator Studio. If you recall, Creator Studio in our architecture, where you can install your apps, configure your apps, and enable communication between your systems. So I'll show you how to quickly add apps to Creator Studio and enable a contact center experience for your your administrators, and also show how SAP Cloud for Customer communicates to AMC DaVinci solution. That showcases how easy it is for our administrators to install or configure AMC solution and enable integration with the CRM and CTI. Not to forget we have to give good experience to our agents. So I'm going to do live calls using Twilio Flex platform and give you a user experience of how calls would look like when the agent receives an incoming call, and what would be a user experience when they receive an SMS. I hope you all are excited to see this, and let me go ahead and showcase what I have been waiting for so long to show to you all. All right. So I've just switched between my screens here, and currently I am sharing the AMC Contact Center DaVinci Creator Studio, and I'll just give it a second to pass your screens and see, make sure you're able to see the DaVinci Creator Studio page here. All right. So as I mentioned, this platform is so user friendly for our administrators. Like in this case, if you're looking at customer that wants to use SAP Cloud for Customer and Twilio Flex, right? All you have to do is register with AMC, obviously, and then you would get your credentials to log into Create a Studio. And once you have your studio, all you're going to come here and do is select the app that you want to install, and once you click on the app, you have an option to add the app. As soon as you click on add app, you see how quick it was. Even just before we realize, you see that the app is already installed and showing up under installed apps here. So here, a couple of things here, like once you install the app, we have a detailed documentation here. When you want to configure the system, we have a configuration steps here, how to enable integration to your CRM and pro and what are the steps you need to do to enable the integration. And it's pretty straightforward. And you can use this configuration steps to configure the SAP to communicate with CRM in this space. So once you're ready with your CRM, then you can go ahead and add your channel app to CTI. And this is again the same. If you see, I've clicked on Twilio Flex, it expands. You have all the nodes. All you have to do is just click on Add App. And boom. See, the app is installed here. So you have two of your apps here, SAP Cloud for Customer and Twilio Flex. Both of the apps are installed. And as I mentioned here, there is a detailed implement configuration steps, a setup guide that you can refer to and enable or complete your configuration to enable CTI channel app to talk to Twilio Flex. That's as easy as that. I don't think you would see any other solution that is so flexible and that's so user friendly to set up an integration between CRM and CTI. I believe that is what I've shown so far is what your thought also is, but I feel that this is very, very flexible and robust system for our customers. So once you have installed your apps, I also want to take a minute to show how SAP is communicating to AMC DaVinci or DaVinci Creator Studio here. So as I mentioned, these are the steps I'm performing. Again, are part of the app config or app setup. I can go into administrator here. Again, this is a HTML5 view. If you have not seen, some of the new customers that are directly being introduced to responsive UI, but this is the HTML5 administrator view. So I wanted to take this step to show our administrators and system integrators how flexible and where you are going to make this change. So in the setup here, you have that URL, what you have to configure and steps. All I'm doing is coming here, go into live activity configuration in HTML5, and you're just going to copy paste the URL. So this itself is pointing to AMC Creator Studio and enable communication. These are few minor steps where you're saying that this is an external provider, BCM, and these all are standard, standard steps or configuration steps from SAP. But the core is you're only pointing a URL that says the SAP system to talk to DaVinci, and that itself is enabling that. So with that, I want to take a step ahead and move into our core SAP Cloud for Customer Responsive UI or Fiori user experience and show you how the agent experience is going to look like. And also one important thing for our administrators or system team, there is no there is no app or there is no thick client installation that needs to be done on any of the agent PCs for our application to integrate. It is all on the browser or on the back end. There is no manual intervention from agent where you need to install or update in future any of the thick clients on the server, on your agent PCs for our integration to work seamlessly. That's a very key benefit. I see it as where it is just single point of maintenance, and with cloud, it's all on the fly here. So it's as easy as that. With that, let me come to the SAP Fiori UI experience, and I think we have to guess where is the AMC soft phone here. It's here. See, as soon as the agent is logged into Fiori and the AMC softphone on the back end using the communication that or the configuration that you have done in the SAP system, it enables AMC softphone to load into the SAP Fiori user view, and and the agent automatically can sync to your state CTI on the back end. And in this state, you're seeing that agent is in a not ready state here. And from here, the agent can change states. They can go ready, not ready, or they can log out from the soft phone. And this automatically enables the agent to log out from the CTI. All right, let's go ahead and do one test call or test call and see how a user experience looks like. So I'm going ahead and placing a call to the Twilio DID number, which in return routes a call to this agent here. All right, see, while I'm placing a call, you can see that the call is already here. Let me go ahead and answer the call for ease of CTI so that the call does not get dropped, as we all understand. So while the call is while I've placed a call from my mobile as a customer, you can see that there is an incoming call immediately, and the call showed up on the AMC softphone controller here. So the couple of things happen here when the agent received a call. There was calls like the agent had CTI interface where uh, you can see the phone number of the customer, the direction of the call, the duration, and also the agent has all the call controls that are provided by CTI in this space. Along with this, if you would have noticed, even before I answer the call, there is also customer information available based on the search results from the SAP database or the SAP Cloud for Customer database here. So I'll go ahead and click on or select the customer record that popped up. And if you see here, once you select the record, AMC softphone is automatically minimized, and this is no way in between for your agent to work on. So this would be very seamless, and your agent does not have to think that there is anything blocking their view of SAP Cloud for Customer page here, and they can continue to work on the they can continue to work with your customer here, and the agent can update the notes from here. uh, agent can update the notes and also work with the customer at the same time without any other distraction, because they don't have to look at any other tools at this time. Everything is in single pane here. They don't have to look at the phone or think that there is other channel that they have to look at. And uh, And once they are done with the call, they can automatically complete the or record or save the record from the live activity center of SAP, and close the record and be ready for the next call. So for example, in this case, I'm going ahead and saving the record here. But here there is a use case where if your agent would like to transfer a call to another agent. So using SAP, we can also AMC integration. We can also like if the agent is going to transfer the call to another agent, uh, we can automatically link the associated ticket ID so that once the call is transferred, that enables screen pop of the ticket to that particular agent who is going to answer the call. So the other agent that is going to answer has all the information that is available or to talk to the customer. So it is addressing multiple pain points for customer, that he does not have to repeat all the interaction with this agent and stuff. And also the other agent is available and he knows what he's going to talk to customer. I think that is a two-way success for both customer as well as for your agents, bringing in a good agent experience. So I'll go ahead and save the notes here and quickly show you how it's going to look like. If you go into, again, all this is still in preview of Cloud for Customers. So I'm just showing you how it's going to look like once the agent saves the record. And you can see that as soon as if you come in under activities, you can see that the notes that we have saved is updated into the records here. So that's as easy as it. If you notice one thing, primarily the amount of clicks that agent has to perform, or number of steps that agent has to complete a call from beginning to start is: one, answer the call; two, open the record. And from there, all they have to do is type in their notes and just save the record. It's as easy as that, and definitely brings down the number of steps here. So that's again a quick user experience. I'll go ahead and drop this call and see. I told you the call controls are also in the AMC soft phone control here. And as soon as I click on end call, you can see that the call is cleared from the AMC soft phone, and automatically the agent went into ready state here. But if you have any other call states or after call work or anything like that, we support or we sync to those call states also here. Uh, now that we have seen voice channel communication, I also want to take and show you how a user experience would be for when a user wants to send an SMS. And the SMS is routed to an agent, and how an agent experience would be when an agent receives an SMS from a customer. And let's quickly see that. So I'm sending again an SMS from my phone, and as soon as I've sent an SMS, you can see that there's an incoming SMS, and from here, the agent user experience would be, again, they can communicate to the customer live from here. So once you send an SMS back to customer, it populates or it shows up on their phone, and that enables two-way communication. Not only that, if you see, it also is providing the customer information here again, so you can select those records and work on the record accordingly. So that's a very interesting and good user experience where you're seeing a channel integration of voice and SMS. Similarly, the other channels like web chat, or if you're looking at Facebook or other WhatsApp or other channels that are supported by Twilio, also can be integrated and give a better user experience and for your agent, and solve concerns of switching over multiple tools, or switching over multiple data to retrieve customer information. And I think all that is really key benefit to your customers as well as your agents or end business users. With that, also, like once the agent is done with communication with the customer, they can go ahead and drop from the chat, and that clears the chat communication from them, and they can go back to the channel state to be available ready for the next interaction or communication. I also quickly wanted to show you uh, not only that, like there could be scenarios where your customer or if your business sales team or uh, would like to make calls to your customers, and they have a pre-populated record where they can place calls from. If you see here, and if you have to ideally dial a number, open the keypad, dial the 10 numbers, and make sure you have the right interaction or right dial pad sequence to enable the call to go out. But in using AMC solution, you can enable all this in one go using click to dial, and that enables a call to customer automatically. We support your dial pad, and we support how the to enable your PBX or your CTI to enable the call to reach your customer. So the single sign-on, single click to dial also is a great feature for your customers, your sales or your business users in this space, which ultimately reduces the number of steps that takes for them to make a call to customer. And not to forget, once the call is through, they can it's as good as an incoming call from where they can update the case notes and continue to work with other customers as they go on. So both inbound, outbound, and SMS, other channel integrations. If you have seen so far, I'm only staying on the agent or SAP Cloud for Customer, and AMC Softphone is enabling the integration to all these channels using one single pane user experience here. Um, so that brings me into my demonstration on SAP Cloud for Customer integration with Twilio Flex. I would like to switch over to quick to the slides and move forward from there. So let me switch over to my slides here, and just want to make sure that you're seeing a Creator Studio slide here. All right, I guess everybody's page refreshed here, and I hope what you have seen so far is exciting and you like and you're like the architecture and the progress AMC has been making to keep our customers happy. Not only happy, but we also are making sure to stand with you as you progress, both in your infrastructure as well as a better user experience and a customer experience. So again, I just wanted to quickly recap on the Creator Studio where I have shown you how to quickly install apps, configure apps, how easy it is for our administrators to install apps, and that enable communication to your that enables communication to the agent with end customers and gives a single pane user experience. Um, so moving on, couple of key takeaways on this webinar so far. I've just recapped some of them, but again, SAP Cloud for Customer and DaVinci provides a robust agent experience. It's seamless and it's very user friendly, and it's the best, I guess. I believe. Customers can enable Cloud for Customer for both on-prem and cloud communication platforms. You don't have to worry if your CRM is on the cloud and if your CTI is on-prem. Our DaVinci Cloud solution takes care of enabling communication between that. Not only providing robust solution, but it is also important to uh, provide good service, good implementation, and good architecture to enable a seamless architecture to our customers. We have solid, robust team sitting out of our Richmond office here. We have dedicated sales teams, a dedicated support team, and a very mature development team that can address our customer concerns to give their agents better agent experience, and in return get very good customer satisfaction. Uh, in Kino, in perspective of it, providing information to our customers and enabling them with all the changes and the developments and exciting news that we have coming up with our product, Uh, we are also doing webinars. We continue to do a monthly webinar to our customers to showcase our product and give them experience of what is coming in and how excited we are to continue to support our customers as they grow and let us growing. So far, we have done webinars uh, on Salesforce, Dynamics, and today we are doing Cloud for Customer. Uh, and in the coming weeks, we have webinars planned for the ServiceNow and Zendesk integrations. I believe this is all exciting. We are happy to share what we are coming up with. And if you see, we have covered all the major CRMs that are in industry today, and we continue to educate our customers so they can better utilize AMC platform to serve your customers and your agents. With that, I would like to open up for questions, and let me go ahead and look at the questions here and try to answer them accordingly. All right. Well, I'm looking for questions. If you have any other questions, please populate them. And all right, we have a lot of questions here. I hope I'll try to address them online. Okay. Can you use DaVinci with Avaya AACC? Yes. Avaya AMC, as I've mentioned, we have a Picasso app that is enabling communication with on-premise and cloud solution, but not to forget, we have the robust on-prem solution, that's our contact canvas, that's already supporting integration to various platforms of Avaya. And in this space, Avaya AACC is definitely supported, and you can integrate DaVinci with Avaya AACC. The next question, does AMC support SAP CRM as well as C4C? That's a very good question. And as I've mentioned in the starting of my webinar today, we have been in this space from 1995, and we have been supporting all the latest products as SAP grows. We have supported SAP ECC, we have SAP CRM that is supported, and today we have showcased SAP Cloud for Customer integration. And not to forget, all of these solutions are certified and have been continuously validated by SAP as they grow and make changes to their system. How long does it typically take to deploy DaVinci with SAP C4C? I have done this in front of you here. It is just minutes, hardly a couple of minutes is what I would say. And you also have a robust team here. If you have any issues, we are here to support you. But I'm looking at minutes to deploy and enable your integration between CRM to CTI and get to your first screen pop. So I would say max of 15 minutes to best showcase switching around browsers and stuff. What are all the channels your Twilio Flex integration supports with? So currently, we have channels supporting the voice, email, web chat, voice, web chat, SMS, and WhatsApp and Facebook. As I've demoed today, the SMS user experience, the web chat experience also will similarly be on the same lines, and the user experience will still continue to be the same on all the other Twilio Flex channels that are supported by Twilio as of today. Is this solution available today? Yes, it's readily available. On the PP on the presentation, you have our website URL. You can always go on to AMC Technology and register for the solution. And there is a seamless automated process on the back end that enables you to, or that provides you access to our system. And from there on, you can continue to use and do the steps that I have done today. that you can use that to as your reference and set up your contact center. Again, if you have any questions, we are always here, so you can reach us back. You'll also receive all the documentation along. Moving on to next question. How can I get more information on your solution? That's again a good question because not much of the stuff could be covered, or available data cannot be shown. Or On this presentation, again, I'm showing you where this video, you can find this video for your future reference. You can find, we have a channel on YouTube that you can access. The video is available on AMC Technology website for your reference. And also, we also have provided reference URLs that are available on our platforms to provide you more insight on both DaVinci and our channel platform integration. All right, one last question. Does your solution supports Twilio Task Router for call routing? Yes, the call AMC is enabling AMC is enabling integration between AMC is enabling integration between CRM and CTI, as I've mentioned, and we are still the call control is still controlled by CTI, in this case Twilio Flex or Twilio Task Router, which enables or takes control of call routing, and AMC on the back end is enabling the agent with that call. So the task router call routing is still supported, and you can continue to use Twilio Task Router for routing your calls, enabling your agents with screen pop. Will this webinar be recorded? Yes, this webinar is recorded, and I think in a day or two, once it's ready, our team would post the webinar on the AMC YouTube channel. It would also be available on our website, amctechnology.com. Not only that, if you have any questions or if you would like to contact us to get more information, we are always available at an easy email address, sales@amctechnology.com. And also you can reach us at our phone numbers, +1 804 419 8600 or 800-390-4866. I believe that the webinar today has given you an insight of how AMC has evolved and providing solutions to our customers, both in cloud, on-prem space, and enabling channel integration to provide your customer a good experience, and agent specifically a greater experience, so that they don't have to look at multiple tools to address your customer concerns or questions or queries. On this note, I would like to thank you all for joining the webinar today, and I believe the session was informative and have given you insight on our solution, not only our solution, but how well the industry is changing and how we are keeping in power to serve our customers, to provide a better customer experience and agent experience. Thank you again, and have a good day, good rest of the day.